Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 6th English 2.1 The Brother poem complete English workshop. Firstly we have to see the warm up. First question, do as directed. यहाँ पे हमें फैमिली से रिलेटेड और फ्रेंड्स से रिलेटेड जो वर्ड्स होते हैं उनको हमें राइट डाउन करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस प्रकार से इस क्वेश्चन का हम आंसर राइट डाउन करेंगे. फैमिली से रिलेटेड वर्ड कौन से हैं? तो सिस्टर, मदर, फादर एंड ब्रदर. सेकंड वर्ड था फ्रेंड. फ्रेंड से रिलेटेड वर्ड कौन से है? क्लेवर है, हेल्पफुल, काइंड एंड लॉयल. दीज आर द रिलेटेड वर्ड टू द फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड वर्ड. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, use the words given below and frame the sentences. First, smile. I like to smile. Second, brother. I love my brother. Third, river. The river is very big. Next, sea. The sea is blue. Next question, discuss and write the answer of the following questions. First question, which line do you like the most from the poem? Why? Answer, I like the line, your strength and hope keep me strong, the most because it shows that the brother gives us strength, hope and courage in difficult times. Next question, which qualities of a brother are described in the poem? Answer, the poem describes a brother as supportive, understanding, strong and hopeful. He understands our hidden pain, stays with us in loss and gain. Next question, complete the following lines. First, when days are dark, dash dash. Answer, and nights are long. Second, dash dash, we walk as one. Answer, through storms and sun we walk as one. Third line, together strong dash dash. Answer, you and me. Next, in every tear and dash dash. Answer, every smile. Next question, identify the rhyming words in the poem and write them. Answer, deep, keep, one, sun, pain, gain, smile, worthwhile, see, me, long, strong. These are the rhyming words. Next question, read the poem and complete the following. The name of the poem is The Brother. Second, the poet of the poem is Amanjit Singh. Third, the poem is about the strong bond, love and support between siblings. Next, the figure of speech used in the poem is simile and metaphor. Next, the message of the poem is that brother's love is very pure and he always makes us strong. Next question, tell your friend what will your brother do. First, if I get first rank in the class, my brother will be very happy. Second, if I fall while playing, answer, my brother will help me. Next question, underline the groups of words which indicate simile. First, she is as brave as a lion. In first sentence, the group of words are as brave as a lion. Second, he runs like the wind. Like the wind. These are the group of words that indicate the simile. And third sentence, the moon is like a silver ball. Like a silver ball is the group of words which indicate the simile. Find Next question, find and write the example of simile from the poem. Answer, like rivers flow to the sea. Next, find and write the example of metaphor from the poem. Answer, you, my brother, my moon and sun. Next question, create a birthday card for your brother. यहाँ पे जो एक्टिविटी दी गई है, यहाँ पे हमें बर्थडे कार्ड बनाना है अपने ब्रदर के लिए। इस प्रकार से आप बर्थडे कार्ड को बना सकते हो और यहाँ पे जो मैंने मैसेज राइट डाउन किया है, इसके अलावा भी आप मैसेज को राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे मैंने राइट डाउन किया है, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू माय डियरेस्ट ब्रदर, विशिंग यू अ डे filled with laughter and a year filled with joy. Thank you for always being my strength, my support and my best friend. May all your dreams come true. With lots of love. इस प्रकार से यहाँ पे ये बर्थडे कार्ड बनाया हुआ है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट डाउन द क्वालिटीज ऑफ योर ब्रदर इन द पेटल्स। यहाँ पे इस प्रकार से ब्रदर की जो क्वालिटीज़ है, हमें यहाँ पे जो फ्लावर की जो पेटल्स है वहाँ पे हमें राइट डाउन करने हैं। तो इस प्रकार से हम आंसर को राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं। देखो, सपोर्टिव, लविंग, हेल्पफुल, ब्रेव, केयरिंग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, दीज आर द गुड क्वालिटीज ऑफ ब्रदर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट एन essay on my brother using the following points. Here the points are given. Introducing to your brother, how he cares for you, how he supports you, how you enjoy your time together. These are the points. My brother. My brother's name is Rohan. He is 2 years older than me and is my closest friend. He is very kind, smart and always cheerful. We share a very special bond. He cares for me deeply. Whenever I am unwell or feeling sad, he stays by my side and tells me funny jokes to make me smile. He always shares his chocolates and protects me like a shield. He supports me in everything I do. When I face difficulties in my studies or homework, he patiently helps me and understands the hard topics. He always encourages me before my exams and sports competition, which gives me a lot of confidence. We really enjoy our time together. We play outdoor games like cricket in evening and watch our favorite movies on weekends. Sometimes we fight over silly things, but we make up very quickly. Having him around makes my life beautiful and full of joy. In this way, we have completed the workshop of the brother poem. Dear students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.